Welcome to Santa's workshop. This is where the elves make all the toys for kids around the world. Before we start, I have to ask, did you make the nice list this year? I bet you did. Now let's look around and see if we can spot some four-letter words. Are you ready? Here is a clue for our first toy. It has four little legs, a long tail, and you can rock back and forth on it. Can you see it? It's a pony. Let's spell pony. P-O-N-Y. Pony. Next up, something soft and cuddly with fuzzy ears. It's leaning on the floor against the bookcases. Do you see it there? It's a bear. Let's spell bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Look up high, something is soaring through the air on a string. Can you spot it flying? It's a kite. Let's spell kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Here's a game with little cubes that have dots on every side. They're sitting right on Santa's desk. Do you see them? These are dice. Let's spell dice. D-I-C-E. Dice. Now look down at the cozy rug on the floor. Can you see it resting there? It's a book. Let's spell book. B-O-O-K. Book. Over here is a toy with hair you can brush and tiny outfits to dress up. Can you spot it? It's a doll. Let's spell doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Listen, do you hear that? Do you see what's making that sound? It's a drum. Let's spell drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Now look near the book on the rug. Can you see it sitting right there? It's a ball. Let's spell ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. And our last toy is up on the table, ready to zoom on tiny wheels. Do you see them waiting? It's cars. Let's spell cars. C-A-R-S. Cars. You did an amazing job spelling all the four-letter toy words in Santa's workshop. And if you weren't on the nice list before, you definitely are now. See you next time for more spelling fun.